Hello friends, this is CA Satyamurthy Ramanujam welcoming you to Nifty Profits YouTube channel. Today I have three stocks which I would like to analyze on technicals. The first stock I am looking at is Tata Consumer Products. This stock from a pandemic low of somewhere around 340 has moved significantly and nearly tripled to 840 levels. You can say 2.5 times. See the uptrend in this stock. It has gone up, made a small swing low, then again gone up, made a swing low, again gone up, made a swing low, and then in an uptrend, then it consolidated around the 750 to 790 levels for some time and then broke out. Now, last 4 to 5 trading sessions, it's again on an up move. The stock I analyzed, I think, a week back. At that time, I told 837 level will be a resistance for this stock. And what has changed now? In the Friday's trading session, the stock has, after making a doji on the previous day, moved above that resistance level. And also, it now presents a great entry opportunity at a quite attractive risk reward ratio. If you look at it, the stock has moved above 837 and closed at 847 on Friday. This is about 10 points above this 837 Fibonacci level. Okay, now if you are a trader or an investor with a slightly higher time frame view, you can aspire for the stock to touch four figures and move slightly higher to about 1750. If that is your intention, that is your target, then you can look to buy the stock either at the current level or above the high of 850, or if it retraces again around 840 levels. Your stop loss should be either 805, or if you are little more aggressive, your stop loss can be even 755, 756 levels, because the upper side presents nearly 170 points above. So you can have roughly 80 points risk and 170 points reward on the higher side. Please trade with small capital or the amount with which you won't lose sleep. But this is a very good investment stock and can provide good returns, but maintain the stop loss first at 800. At that point, one can even consider accumulating some more for a move towards 830 and ultimately towards four figure mark of 1000 plus. This is for Tata Consumer Products. The next stock I am looking at is also is in the consumer area. That is Varun Beverages, which manufactures, I think, Coca-Cola brand, if I am right, or Pepsi. I'm not very sure, but it is into this soft drinks market. Now, Varun Beverages has been swinging in this range between 802 and 715 levels for quite some time now, for at least last 2 months. Previously it used to have a high of only 735, but that level where it was swinging has changed. Now it is now in a new range again. Varun Beverages has crossed its 50% Fibonacci level and has closed above that level at 806, comfortably 10 points nearly above this level. Previously it moved above this level but never closed above that Fibonacci level of 798, and this is the first time it has closed above that level, and the volume is also supporting this move. Considering that, it gives a good risk reward also, because it can move up almost 50 points towards 849 850 levels in the coming days. Stop loss can be kept at 780, which is about 25 points below the current level. If it is available around 800 or even around 810, one can consider buying this stock for a short term gain, a move towards 850. The next stock I wish to discuss with you is Godrej Consumer, which is also a stock which we discussed previously in this channel. Now the stock, we can see here the Fibonacci resistance level stands at 1033. This is 3.618 times of its low, very previous low. From there it has moved significantly and is now hovering around the Fibonacci level of 1033. This presents a buying opportunity. If you see, on Friday it closed up around 1033 only, exactly near the Fibonacci level. But if it moves above this level and then closes above 1033 and even crosses this high of 1045, one can consider buying this stock. But then the risk reward is not too good, so you need to keep a stop loss below 1033, that is about 1030 or 1025, and buy it around 1025 levels. Okay, sorry, 1035 levels you can buy, and keep a stop loss of around 1025, 10-point stop loss, and hope for about 30 points gain in the stock towards 1065. So I'm again making it clear, stock is a buy above 1033-34 levels, and then the maximum target is about 1065. Keep your stop loss around 1020 or 1025, so that you get a risk reward of approximately 1:3. So these are the three stocks. I shared my view with you. Please trade with your capital very conservatively, and please note that these are not day trading suggestions, and I am not a SEBI registered research analyst or technical analyst. I have learnt everything on my own, and I am presenting my views to you as a guidance for educational purposes only. Trade with caution, trade with recommended stop losses, and do not hesitate to book your loss if the stop loss level is breached. That is the sure shot way for success for you in the stock market. Thank you very much for being with us for so long, and please do like, share and comment. And if you would like me to analyze any other stock, please post the same in the comment section. Thank you very much. Thanks for your patronage. Have a great profitable investing and trading career. Bye bye.